An apartment fire caused by an electric bicycle battery is causing people to take a closer look into the dangers of these popular batteries. Sasha Tiemann reports.
When firefighters were called to this apartment fire in Sherbrooke, they quickly discovered it wasn't caused by an electrical issue or smoking, but rather an electric bike.
We had 7 fires in 2021 that were implicating lithium battery, not even only bike, but cell phone and things like that. And that number tripled in 2022.
Nowadays, lithium can be found pretty much anywhere, in phones, tablets, scooters, and electric vehicles. And their growing popularity means more awareness is needed, particularly on how to handle them.
Don't cover the battery. It's not insulated, so it needs to dissipate its heat. Especially don't try to modify, because any modification to the battery pack is a compromise on the safety features.
And it's a real problem, says Fire Operations Chief Martin Guilbeault. YouTube is full of videos showing ways to get more power from lithium batteries, which experts say is dangerous. Another issue, not all batteries you can buy online are certified.
People are trying to use other batteries that are not meant to be used with the bike they have. Some people would buy cheaper battery just to save money.
While some are concerned about safety issues, e-bike sales are soaring, according to the owner of this bike shop.
In the course of the last 3-4 years, we saw like a booming of the electric bicycle sales. For now in the city with all cars coming around in the traffic.
But increasingly, people are becoming concerned.
People now are really asking about batteries, so when they buy the bikes, they ask how the maintenance has to be done.
The Quebec City Fire Department is also warning people about the risks with lithium-ion batteries. In a new campaign, it cautions about the dangers of overcharging or tampering with these batteries, saying lithium battery fires are particularly difficult to put out.
It is violent. And since it's a chemical fire, it does not need oxygen to burn.
In the meantime, if you want to keep your e-bike safe, make sure to store your battery at room temperature, don't overcharge it, and when it is charging, make sure to keep an eye on it. Sasha Tiemann, CTV News.